Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today we are going to be having a flip through of this junk journal that I made using the new Petals and Parchment kit that is going to be on sale in our shop Monday, March 16th, 2026 as part of our Petals and Parchment spring event where all week long we're going to be having video tutorials and giving away freebies and having deals on select items in our Etsy store. And we're also going to be giving away coupons every day to a winner that we select from the comments, and one lucky winner is also going to win the junk journal from today's flip through, and all of those winners are going to be announced at the end of the week on Sunday, March 22nd. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those videos when they come out, so that you can be there for all the fun. Otherwise, today's video is just going to focus on a start to finish flip through of this junk journal so you can kind of see how it all turned out when it was done. But otherwise, during the week, all of the videos will kind of show how I made this journal. So starting with Monday, we'll have the tutorial for the cover, the spine, the pages, and the closure. And then throughout the week, I'll be using some of those freebies to do the decorating. And as I mentioned in yesterday's video, I didn't do a complete decorating tutorial for this journal. However, I did use a lot of decorating tutorials that we've already done on the channel in the past. So if you're looking for any inspiration, feel free to check out our playlists. We've got tons of videos all about how to decorate a junk journal. But otherwise, I guess I'm going to head out for this video, but enjoy the rest of this flip through. Let me know what you guys think of this junk journal, and I am excited to see you guys on Monday, March 16th. Bye!